So we have it screwed in, and I thought I didn't really say anything about the tools. So when you come up in an area like this, it's not like you can run to the shop and grab your tools, because you got to go down about 5 stories, attic, 3rd floor, 2nd floor, 1st floor, and then basement. And then if you're not in the basement, you got to go to another building. So what do you bring up? So first of all, this square, I picked it up, I think, as an antique square. I love it. It's a 6-inch, handy, goes in your back pocket. Utility knife was great for getting the gecko off, along with the scraper. And then always need the trusty screw gun. And then the other thing I really like is a little packet of screw gun accessories. Nice little tin, in this case, Bob Ross tin. And I keep my main little add-ons in there. And then I always like having an assortment set of screws, because you never know what size you need. So I just throw my odds and ends in here as an assortment. Now I know I'm going to need some more of these. And also I saved everything I pulled out, so I pretty much had the hardware I needed to put it back together. So other than that, a hand saw, the rasp. I always like the rasp because you can take off any edges, get everything to fit a little bit better. So I thought I'd better mention tools because they're very important. That's something I always have to think ahead on, and I hate running after everything, although I will tell you I've been up and down about 4 times already on this project. So right now I'm going to go get the gecko tape, which I already brought up on my last trip, thankfully. And I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to start gecko taping. And then I'm going to check some other spots, and hopefully we'll be done here fairly soon.